back to my channel Sona's Dairy. I wish you guys a very happy Eid. And for us, this is like a great time. We used to enjoy with our family, friends, relatives, and we had a very great time. Literally that full day was full of enjoyment and fun. And one of my best friends, Saja, her sister used to put mehendi for us really beautifully. We used to love actually putting those mehendis, and literally I used to run and go for mehendi. Normally in our school mehendi is not allowed, but at Eid time they allow us to wear. We literally jump with joy when we hear that we are able to put mehendi, and we have a really great time. But due to this lockdown, we all got locked and we can't do any much of enjoyment like that. So this year, just to make up the occasion a little more brighter, we're gonna make a very tasty and delicious and super easy drink. And that's correct. Today we are going to make a date milkshake. It's really easy, the ingredients are simple, and from your part of Eid, you can make this. It's really gonna, your family members are gonna be proud of you. It's a really fulfilling drink, so let's see how to make it. So we're gonna go for the ingredients. We have dates, okay? Yeah. Now dates, I soaked it in warm water for some time so that it actually becomes soft and it's easy to grind. We have bananas, just to get the banana flavor. We have powdered, dry nuts or dry fruits. I actually took cashews and badam. If you want, you can add more dry fruits, but for me, I feel this is enough. And we have curd. Okay, so, and of course, we need milk because it's a date milkshake. So now all our ingredients are done and there's nothing more that we have. Let's take our grinder and we can start to make this, okay? Guys, now let's take our grinder and let's start putting the ingredients. So we have dates over here. As I told you, I soaked this in warm water, okay? Just want to put it into the grinder. And then I'm going to add a little bit of banana just to get the banana flavor. And we're gonna add a little bit of powdered dry fruits so that you get that flavor of dry fruits also. And if you want, you can add cardamom. It's according to you, but I really love the smell and flavor of it. It's optional. If you don't like, it's okay, but I really want to make this healthy and I love the smell of it. So I'm just gonna add 2, not more than that. Okay. And if you want, you can add ice, but just to give a cold effect to my body, I'm gonna add just 2 ice. Okay, if you don't want, you cannot add, but I really love to make it cold. Now finally, this is how it looks. Okay, now just when you're adding, this is cold milk, okay? So when you're adding milk, add little first or else the grinding will not be perfect. So add little milk first and then go for adding the amount of milk which you have. So just a little milk. Okay, I think that's it. Or maybe okay. So after grinding this much, you can add the amount of milk which you want. Now this is how it looks. Okay. So now our ingredients putting and setting and milk, everything is done. Now just we need to grind this up to make it into a milkshake. So let's go grind them up. Guys, now we are back and we have our date milkshake completely ready. See how yummy it's looking, like it's a thick mixture and it's really nice. So now let's pour them into 2 glasses. Yeah, are they equal? Yeah, I guess. So it just got a little messy over here. Just keeping the waste tissue aside. And guys, see how it's looking, really looking yummy. It's very nice, literally. It's very healthy drink. You can surely try it out. But now your milkshake is ready, but don't you want to do some decoration to really make and look it yummy? So I'm going to start with some decoration. We have to just take normal dates and just tear it into small pieces. We're going to keep them on top of it. It's really sticky. add almonds. Now these almonds, I cut it into half and that's how it turned like this. Okay. I'm gonna add 2 to each. Okay, and finally I'm gonna take a date that is cut into half over here like this, and then just gonna tuck it into the glass. Okay, and that's it. Your decoration is completely ready, and that's it. Your drink is ready to be drank. Guys, just see it. This is the perfect drink for Eid. You can really make it. Your parents are gonna be proud with you. It's a really filling drink. Even if you're going to school, then if you drink this, your stomach will be full. And this is a really healthy one. I can feel the smell of cardamom literally. So it's really nice. I'm just feeling to drink it. It's really nice. Guys, and you can make this out. This is a simple recipe, so do try out this recipe and let me know your comments in the comment section below. If you like my channel, please do subscribe me and hit the bell icon next to it. So I wish you guys a very happy Eid. Do try out this recipe and enjoy yourself. Enjoy Eid with your family. So till then, see you guys soon and bye.